Looking to upgrade your photography and videography in 2025? Whether you're a beginner, content creator, or professional photographer, the right mirrorless camera can make all the difference. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best mirrorless cameras of 2025, comparing their image quality, autofocus, video capabilities, and features to help you find the perfect camera for your needs. The Canon EOS R50 is the perfect camera for beginners and content creators who want high-quality photos and videos without the complexity of a pro setup. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, dual-pixel CMOS AF, and uncropped 4K video recording, this camera delivers sharp, vibrant images with fast and accurate autofocus. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for vlogging, travel photography, and everyday shooting. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, sharing your photos and videos has never been easier. Want an easy-to-use, high-quality mirrorless camera? Get the Canon EOS R50 today. For those who want full-frame image quality in a compact body, the Panasonic LUMIX S9 is a game-changer. It features a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, 6K open-gate video recording, and impressive low-light performance, making it perfect for content creators, filmmakers, and travel photographers. With phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and L-mount lens compatibility, this camera gives you pro-level flexibility in a small, stylish package. Want full-frame power in a compact camera? Grab the Panasonic LUMIX S9 now. If you're looking for a budget-friendly mirrorless camera that still delivers great image quality, the Canon EOS R100 is the ideal choice. It features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, fast dual-pixel autofocus, and full HD video recording, making it perfect for beginners and casual photographers. Its lightweight body and simple controls make it an excellent choice for those upgrading from a smartphone to a dedicated camera without breaking the bank. Want a budget-friendly mirrorless camera without compromising on quality? Get the Canon EOS R100 today. The Sony Alpha 7 RV is a powerhouse for professional photographers and videographers, featuring a 61 megapixel full-frame sensor, next-gen AI autofocus, and 8K video recording. Its advanced image stabilization ensures sharp and steady shots, even in challenging conditions. With unmatched dynamic range, color accuracy, and customizable settings, this camera is built for studio work, landscapes, and high-end productions. If you demand the best resolution and detail in your work, this is the camera for you. Want the ultimate professional camera? Get the Sony Alpha 7 RV and capture perfection. The Fujifilm X-M5 blends classic Fuji color science with cutting-edge mirrorless technology, making it the perfect hybrid camera for both photography and video. It features a 40 megapixel APS-C X-Trans sensor, 6.2K video recording, and impressive in-body image stabilization, IBIS, for smooth footage. The film simulation modes give your photos a unique, artistic touch, while its fast autofocus and compact build make it great for street photography, vlogging, and travel content. Want a camera that excels in both photography and video? Get the Fujifilm X-M5 today. That's a wrap on the best mirrorless cameras of 2025. Whether you're a beginner, a hybrid shooter, or a professional photographer, there's a perfect camera for your needs. But wait, we just dropped another video covering the latest photography gear and accessories to elevate your content creation. Head to our channel now and check it out.